Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can have a cinematic video on CapCut using the color corrections. So in here, I have already imported a video and I want to make this video looks cinematic. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the adjust to make the color adjustment. So for the brightness, you need to lower it into -10, and the contrast increase it into 50. Click on the saturation, also increase it to 50. Then for the exposure, you need to lower it into -5. Lastly, click on the sharpen and increase it into 30. There you go. You can just click on the check icon and you'll have this cinematic color video that I just did. Okay, so I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.